hip opening sequence. So prepare your mind and put your breathing here. Take your time. And slowly back to down facing dog. Adho Mukha. Now lift your right leg up. Slowly step your right leg by outside of your right hand. Now slowly by taking a fingertip support, you can drop your left knee on the mat. So in case if you have knee injuries and feeling too much pressure on the back knee, so you can do one modification here, or like using your own mat. So you have to fold your mat to protect your knee, or like giving an extra surface to the knee, like this. Or in case if you don't find this useful, so you can skip this. And by taking a fingertip support, look front side and hold here. So now you can see my knees and my hips are in one line. So as I told you, this is the hip opening sequence. So from here, try to push your hip down and open your heart, like lower down your belly and open your heart. Now look forward. Now you can see my knees above and my hip is going downward. So let's do one more time. Inhale, lift your hip up. So this time you can see they are in one line. So without moving your knee more further, slowly drop your belly down, push your hip down, open your heart. Inhale up and exhale down, nice and slowly. Feel all the stretch on your inner hip or your outer hip. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Go slowly by taking your time, by taking a breath. And exhale. Push down. Keep your hip pushing down. Now from here, if this thing in your practice, you can drop your elbow down. Or in case if you are not reaching downward, so you can use a blanket or a pillow to increase the height of the surface. So like this. And again, maintain your spine straight. Breathe in and breathe out and hold this posture. So we are going to hold a bit longer here. So make sure the only thing you have to stay in your mind is to focus on your breathing. Don't hold your breathing. Inhale and exhale according to your breath, according to your practice. Hold this posture here. So in case if you are feeling uncomfortable here, you can do one more thing. So from here, slightly turn your toes outside and hold here. So this is a nice variation or modification you can use. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Few more breaths. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly remove your pillow. Straight your hands here. And now from here, slowly lift your back knee up by pressing your palm, slowly lifting your hip up and go back to one leg down, facing down. Exhale, drop your right leg down and take your time. Now we'll do same thing with the left side, or the left leg. Take your time, breathe in, reach high with your left leg and exhale, place your left leg by outside of your left hand. Again, same thing, drop your right knee down. Again, if you have a knee issue, a knee problem, you can fold your mat. Now from here, take a fingertip support. First, do check your knee aligned with your hip, as I told you in the right side of the leg. Now slowly drop your hip down and open your heart, open your chest. Look forward. I can look toward the ceiling. Now slowly lift your hip back and exhale down. Nice and slow. Inhale and exhale. So one more thing, as I told you, this is the beginner series. So if you are feeling pressure on your fingertip, you can use a block here to increase the surface. So gently place your hands over the block as I am doing here. And do the same thing. Push your hip down and inhale, lift back. Inhale, push your hip down and exhale, move back nice and slowly. Take your time. Inhale down and exhale back. So let's do one more round. Inhale, push your hip down and hold here. Now slowly, by removing your block, we are going on the elbow. As I told you, if this thing is not your practice, you can use a pillow or blanket to increase the height of the surface. And slowly turn your toes outside and hold this posture here. So here again we are going to hold this posture for a longer. Do focus on your breathing. As I told you, don't hold your breath while holding the posture. Nice and slow, don't make a hunch. Spine should be straight, look forward. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Few more breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, nice and slowly. Keep smiling, make a smile on your face. Now slowly extend your elbows. Slowly remove your block or your pillow, which one you're using. Now by pressing your palm, tuck your toes in, lift your back knee up, and slowly by lifting your hips, slide your left leg back for downward facing dog. Now slowly by walking forward, cross your leg, drop your hip down and slowly sit on your hips. Now we are moving to butterfly. So what you have to do to, again, if you have a tight hip flexors, so you can use a pillow underneath your hip, as I'm doing here. So you can see from this side, like this. Now try to maintain your feet together, as close as your groin. Now interlace your fingers underneath your feet. Grab your feet here and try to keep lengthening your spine straight up, not make a hunch here. Keep lengthening your spine up. Now slowly, as you inhale, lift your knees up and exhale, open your leg. Try to press your knees down. Again, inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. For deeper stretch, you can close your eyes and try to push more down. Slowly, slowly, according to breath. Don't make a rush. Nice and slowly. A bit more faster with controlling, Make a full control on your breath, on the movements. Connect your breath with your movements. A bit more faster. Keep your spine straight, nice and slowly. Let's do for 3 breaths here. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly release. Now from here, release your hands. Take a fingertip support here. So without lifting your knees off to the mat, not too high. Try to keep pushing your knees down and walk forward as much as you can. Nice. Now as you're going forward, you have to exhale and hold here. Keep maintaining your spine straight. Nice and slowly. Hold here for 3, 2, 1. A bit more further. One last time. Hold here. Hold the breath. And now release. Slowly back to the center. Now you can place your hands by outside of your knees. Now slowly as you inhale, lift your knees up and now slowly hug your legs. Breathe in and breathe out. Now you can remove your pillow. Now let's do the counter pose of hip opening. Now from here, slowly roll back on your spine and just keep rolling up and down nice and slowly. Then slowly come up, sit on your sitting bones. Let's do 𝐘𝐨𝐻𝐴sana. So first we'll do with the left leg. So place your left leg underneath your right. Now slowly place your right knee over your left leg. So again, if you are not able to maintain this posture, so you can use a pillow underneath your hip. So as I'm using here, or a blanket. If you don't have a pillow, as I told you, you can use a blanket also. Like this. Now from here, place your right hand up and cross your hand behind your back. So in case if you have tight shoulders and you're not reaching forward, you can use a strap. So see, grab your strap and slowly, according to your flexibility, you can hold the strap as closer as you want. And hold here for 3. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. And exhale. And slowly release your hand. Like as it is. Now slowly walk forward with your hand by taking a fingertip support. And hold. Keep lengthening your spine. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly walk back. Now from here we are switching our sides. So slowly shift your weight back and release your leg. First shake your legs. And now switch your side. Now this time right foot underneath your left leg. And maintain your knee over your right knee. Same as it is. Again, you can use a strap or you can grab your hand according to flexibility and hold here in 𝐘𝐨𝐻𝐴sana. Breathe in and breathe out, nice and slowly. So take one more breath here. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly release your hand, your leg as it is. Now by taking a fingertip support, walk forward and hold here. Try to maintain your spine straight, reach high and exhale, go more forward. Hold here, breathe in and breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly walk back. By taking a hand, side of your hips, slowly press your palm and release your leg. Now shake your leg, shake your thigh. By removing your pillow, slowly lie down on your back. And relax here for a moment. for a second. Breathe in and breathe out. And slowly lift your knees off the mat and hug your knees. Roll up and down nice and slowly. Warm up your spine.